Say good morning. Say we've been up for a long time. Say we need to take that Christmas tree down. She loves watching YouTube, don't you? I don't know if Amazon just decided to step it up, but we had a package delivered at 4:20 in the morning. Literally. Freaking crazy. It's just me and the little one right now. We're heading out to go get some coffee for the mama that's sleeping right now. It's kind of like her nap time. Probably by 8:30, 9:30. Either way, we're just going on a little ride. Nothing else to do. Let's see what she's doing. Does she sleep? I told you it works every time. Yet another trading day. She's napping. Got the coffee. I think it's going to the downside, but we'll see how it goes. Took a risky one on NOS 100. I think it's going to play out in my favor to the downside. So yeah, I mean, it's just a patience game. See if we can't make some money today. What do you think? You want me to make some money? Got a big drop. It ain't much, right? But just showing up every day and getting better. Man, you never know what it could turn into. This one, I'm iffy. I'm just going to wait it out. I'm going to wait till about 10 o'clock before I even think about placing a trade. Just like I said on UJ, told you it'd come back and touch that area. It might be a good time to get in for a buy. I finished my coffee. Yep, came down, touched it, went back up. This is a perfect example of the way I trade. I found a fair value gap. It came down, touched it, came up, and retested. Right there is when I should have got in to go up and hit these highs. But I missed it. Yeah, that's just unfortunate. But yeah, that would have been a good little trade. About 0 drawdown. If I would have got in right here. Well, let's see what else the market can give us. Our NOS 100 trade is kind of working out here. Let's just hope it keeps going down. Gotta feed the cat. You would think I would be able to replace this broken plastic cup. Chow time. You can see at the bottom here on NASDAQ, we made $16. No, $7. Because the price action was just ridiculous. The price action sucked today. So we didn't make that much money. There was hardly any good movement. Other than that, hey, we still came in profit. Say what's up. So yeah, that brought our account to $47. What'd you get? Your tag.
Is it the one that you wanted?
Yes.
How do you know?
Because in God we trust. About to put the new tag on the girl's car. See how tight I can cinch it down. Today is the 8th of January. We've been driving around on an expired temporary tag for a hot minute now. Luckily we didn't get caught.